off, and now we have a wick here. But unfortunately, most of this wasn't on the volume that we'd like to see, right? Even our wick here wasn't on the volume we'd like to see compared to that of its peers. So we don't know if this really is a true buying candle here, but we'll mark it down. But we'll also keep in mind, we'll add a little note here, that this was on low vol, so this might not actually be a true sign of reversal. So we're going to wait, instead of jumping into another trade, where we should have taken a trade from here, we're going to wait to see actually if this was the reversal. And we'll know that because we'll get the continued uptrend into resistance at 9,400 again. But if not, if this turns out to be a fake bottom, then we'll easily break through our support that we have here at 8,100. We won't get into those levels right now because they're specific to the volume profiles. But basically, we don't have that clear buy signal yet, so we can maintain a kind of bearish thesis until it's invalidated, which would occur on high volume or another strong